Well, hey there, it's Linda from All-in-One Middle School. I wanted to give you a brief overview as to what you'll get in this product and a little bit about how it works. So I hope you have your volume up, and let's dive into what you're going to get. The first thing that you'll see is that you'll get a packet of lesson plans. You'll get lesson plans for every single day of the unit. I also gave you a calendar if you want to organize it that way. So I'm just kind of scrolling through here to the different days and the different lesson plans. So, for example, if you're on day 2 with the Poet's Toolbox, here's how it's laid out. You'll get an objective, all of your standards, your materials, and anything that can be linked has been linked here. Your anticipatory set to get them ready to learn, step by step so you'll know exactly what to do, a closure activity, what you can do for assessment, and any homework. These are editable, so you can change, you can copy and paste as needed. Okay, the other thing you're going to get is a poetry notebook. I'm going to show you the digital version. There is also a printable version included. So the poetry notebook is set up for them to put their name in here. You'll assign it on their digital learning platform so they each have a copy, and they'll have everything that they need at their fingertips. Okay, so for example, let's talk about when they learn about alliteration. Okay, they would click on this, and you'll see that it's a mini lesson. It'll ask if you want to make a copy. I recommend that you make your own copies, make any changes in it, and then reassign it back on that slideshow so that it's coming from you. And you can also take this piece off before assigning it. These little flags are just showing you that this is an editable slide, make any changes. And the mini lessons are pretty comprehensive. You'll bring the kids up and you'll teach through the lesson. And then there's an activity. And the activity is for them right here on the slideshow. Okay, so coming back here, it's going to show them, again, all different things for different days. Everything is linked. All this, it'll tell you where to go to. So if they're going to work on writing their Diamante poem, they'll do it right here. So there's a lot in this unit. There's, like I said, the digital, the printable. There's a poetry share for them to digitally publish their poems. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me at linda@allinonemiddleschool.com. Thank you.